Hey everybody, time for a new video. We got it. We got our package from Dragy. We're going to open it right now and we're going to check it out. Let's see what we got going on. All right, it is time to start getting some times on this car here. Is that all there is in there? Yes, it is. All right. So the package comes rather tiny. Here we go. One box into another box. All right. There it is. Dragy. All right, and mounting plates, charging cable, a couple of magnets. All right. All right, so I got my Dragy installed and I will show you where I have it installed. I have it plugged in to the USB and it sits right here in the coin tray and it works great. I'm gonna do some runs tonight on my way to work when there's nobody on the roads and we will see how it performs.